Hey friends, Justin Brock here again, and I wanted to come to you today to explain a few variables that you may not consider when you're shopping for a different Medicare supplement plan, or maybe even your first Medicare supplement plan if you're retiring or turning 65 or helping someone else do it. A lot of people will look at price and plan, but I want to let you know first how we do this, how we shop for these different plans, what tools we use to do that, and then also what other variables there are to look for. Before I go any further, it would really help us tremendously if you could give us a like down below, give us a big thumbs up, or subscribe to the channel. That's something that really helps us out and helps us reach more people in need, as well as provide you with further updates to things that happen or evolve or occur over time regarding Medicare, health insurance, or anything that you're interested in that we might have some expertise in. Now that you've subscribed, let's break down a couple of the things that you probably already know. One of the things that you probably are already looking into is what the different plans cover. Of course, you have your Plan F, your Plan G, your Plan N. Some of them have deductibles, some of them have co-pays. You even have plans that some people ask about sometimes, like high deductible Plan F, Plan K, Plan L. They have tremendous different benefit structures, and of course that's something that we consider anytime we're researching what fits a customer's needs the best. But that's not all we look at. Whether it's Plan F, Plan G, Plan N, every company that offers one of those plans is offering the same thing, right? So the benefit structure is the same. Really, the only difference you have is the price. But there are a few factors that go into this price, okay? It's not just what is the initial price they're offering it. It's what is the rate increase history of this company. How would we know over time, or how can we find out over time what a company has increased their premium, whether it's the Plan G with Company A, the Plan F with Company B. Any combination of that, we can find out how quickly they go up. So anyone that's out there researching what plan to get, what company to get, you might find that you hear that this company is a great company and this plan is a great plan, and then you go and get that company, which I'm specifically thinking of one that people do this a lot with, a couple actually, and you find out that either A, they charge much more from the get-go, or B, they increase their rates faster than other companies. And with a couple of these companies, it's actually A and B. They start out a little higher and they go up faster. Some companies, however, start out really low and go up fast. Some start out moderately low and go up slow, and that's kind of what we're looking for. We're looking for a good plan with a good company who has a high financial rating with AM Best, and then is also has a tendency to keep their rates as stable as possible over time. Now, you may be thinking, that's a lot of information. That's going to be a lot for me to digest, a lot for me to figure out. I mean, how am I going to figure all that out? And at this point, I have to tell you, if you haven't considered using a broker or an agent, this might be a good reason to. But don't just use anyone. Make sure your broker or your agent has the tools needed to provide you with not the plan that's going to pay them the most, not the plan that's the easiest to sell, not the cheapest plan, but the plan that is going to be the long-term solution to your Medicare needs. So wait just a moment, and I'm going to show you on my screen exactly the tool that we use to find and crunch all of this information so that we're able to provide you with the best information possible. Okay guys, this is what we can do that other carriers or agencies can't do. This is our quote engine where we can look up the rates of every company in any given zip code in the United States of America. So for instance, if I wanted to look up let's see here, Wichita Falls, Texas, for a 70-year-old male for a Plan G rate, we can apply household discounts depending on if they have someone living with them or not. Each company has different rules regarding that. We'll say non-tobacco for an effective date of February 1st. Now when we pull that up, we're able to see how many companies are offering this plan. Some of these will offer the household discount and some won't, and we do know these types of things, so we can kind of cut to which one is going to offer you the best rate. So as I go down this list, just to point out how many carriers there are 60 different plans G's available in that zip code. So as you can see, it's very diverse, all the way from 104.59 down to 318.97. So there's a huge disparity between the prices of the plans, but no disparity between the benefits of each plan. So that's why it's very important to make sure you get the best rate first, and get it with a company that has a long track record of maintaining low rate increases, so that you have the best chance of being able to keep that company and that rate for as long as possible, because you don't really want to have to change every year or every other year. It's just a hassle, so it's good to get in with a good company that's not going to increase on you quickly. So here's another zip code just for you to see: Tupelo, Mississippi. In that zip code there are 49 companies or 49 different Plan Gs available. Of course, we can look at all the different supplement plans, as well as drug plans and other things. So give us a call at 1-800-462-3980. That's 1-800-462-3980. We'd love to help you shop for your Medicare supplement. If you have other questions or just want to submit for some quotes, of course you can click Get Quote below or comment in the comment section. Thanks, guys. Looking forward to talking to you.